world-class glove manufacturer Hartalega is driven by its passion for innovation and a strong talent pool. Under the visionary leadership of founder Kwan Kam Hon, Hartalega disrupted the industry by inventing the world's first lightweight nitrile glove and continues to blaze a trail with its antimicrobial glove, another world first.
Everyone wants to make a difference. At Hartalega, we provide this opportunity and we take great strides to enrich the lives of our people.
Having been with Hartalega for more than 6 years, the training module has really empowered me and helped me to grow professionally and personally as well.
The ecosystem that we have created is geared towards talent development. We have structured programs in place to ensure that our people perform to the best. We have an employee wellness program called Hartanians to create a fit, healthy and engaged workplace.
We are highly team-driven and Hartalega is a great platform for this. Not only sports and physical activities, volunteering together in community outreaches breaks the boundaries between race and religion. This portrays the colourfulness of Hartalega.
Hartalega is about creating a fun, healthy and engaged workforce. We organize activities like colour run, mangrove planting, movie day out together and many more.
Our people can participate in the growth and success of the company through our attractive benefits and incentive programs.
Hartalega gives me not only job stability but also financial security. I managed to earn my first bucket of gold and settled my education loan. Now, I'm looking forward to owning my very first home.
I am very happy with the benefits and incentive program that offered by Hartalega. Hartalega helps me to support my children's education and family life.